Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can split two windows or two applications at the same time on your laptop. See here, this is Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625U laptop, and this works on any laptop. Okay, this is Windows 11. See, currently this is one window, okay, which I opened Hotstar, and this on another window I am using YouTube. So I'll minimize this, then you'll get to know. See, I'll minimize this also. When I tap on this Explorer, it is just opened here. When I click on this Chrome, this is just opened here. There are two windows simultaneously playing at the same time. How you can do that? First of all, let me maximize this and minimize this. I'll also maximize this. To have two screens or two windows, two applications at the same time on your Windows laptop or computer, what you need to do is, so first of all, open one application, and on this title bar, see, on this title bar, press with your mouse, okay, click it and drag and move it to one of the corner until you see this transparent screen and leave. So this will get adjust to the one side of the screen. Later you will have some other active tabs. You can choose whichever tab you want. Now I am choosing this Geo Hotstar tab, which is a Edge browser. Likewise, you can choose any of this. And same, press on the title bar here. Sorry. Yeah. Press on this title bar. And okay, first of all, maximize this. Now drag this, also same action, move to your left until you see this transparent and leave. Now both the windows will be playing simultaneously on the same screen, and both are active. Okay, both are active. That is the good thing. Here, see here, I can click on this watch now. Here this gets played, and I can pause this. Just now I muted the audio. Okay. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.